Hi everyone, welcome back to my mom's channel. Today we are going to make a egg bread pizza. First add 4 small eggs, and if you have big eggs you can add 2 eggs. Then add salt for the taste. Then add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano. Now mix them well. After mixing, let's put them aside. Now take a fry pan and let's on the stove and apply oil in the fry pan. So in the other video there were leftover bread pieces, so we took the leftover bread pieces and added them here so that no breads can go to waste. At this time you can put the stove off or you can put it on low flame or it will become very burnt, so that's why don't do like that. See how it is looking nice with leftover bread. Now add the egg mixture on top of each bread. Now let's put the lid and cook this for 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes open the lid and now flip it in the opposite side. When you're making pizza on a frying pan, always put it on low flame or the pizza will be burnt. Now apply 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of pizza sauce, and also apply it all over the bread. Now add vegetable. We added our favorite vegetable. You can also add which vegetable you want. We also cut them long. You can cut them in cube shape if you want. Now add mozzarella cheese. Now sprinkle the pizza with oregano and chili flakes. Now put the lid on and bake it for 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, open the lid and serve it. You can see the bottom, it is not burnt because we did it on low flame. You have to make this. It is very delicious and yummy. If you have only little cheese and a little bread, you should make it quickly or it will be all finished. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.